I'm Dale Hunt with Warner Enterprises. I'm the South Central field recruiter, handle 5 states, and we go into these driving schools looking for good, qualified people to start out an entry-level position as a Warner driver. Outstanding company to work for. It's a debt-free company. It's one of the 4th largest truckload carriers in America. We currently run about 7,000 tractors. Great time to be a driver. The economy's rolling good, even though CNN may be saying that things are still down. We're actively recruiting all the qualified people we can. Freight's moving. It's a great time to be a driver. Last year, right off the W-2s, a first-year driver was anywhere from $38,000 to $44,000. When a person graduates from a driving school program, they'll go through an orientation with that company. Then they'll go out with a trainer for around 6 weeks is a good average. So they're going to run on an apprenticeship program for 6 weeks. So they've got that pro out there showing them how they do everything, how they find their locations, how they run their logs. Then after they've been on an apprenticeship for that 6 weeks, then they do it on their own. Be patient, listen to their trainer, learn everything they can learn, get all the drive time they can learn, because that's the time that you're out there, you've got a professional sitting beside you, so you'll have no other better opportunity, to make sure you're doing it right, get yourself in a routine, then you'll be ready. Diesel driving graduates are awesome. They have one of the longer programs here, so the guys get a lot more behind the wheel drive time. We've not had one complaint from a graduate out of a diesel driving school about their shifting abilities, their driving abilities, so they do an awesome job here.